Let's, in the meantime, speaking of another divide, talk about what's happening in Uttar Pradesh. Just ahead of the assembly elections, Congress has launched a sharp attack on the Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav. Here is Congress MP Imran Masood, who has challenged him to contest the elections independently if he has the courage. Responding to Akhilesh Yadav's remarks that Congress is not performing effectively on the ground, the Congress leader says that the Samajwadi Party chief's silence on certain issues and have certainly asserted that the Congress party is fully capable of fighting the elections on its own.
मैं अखिलेश जी से सवाल करना चाहता हूं, मुसलमानों की मस्जिदें टूट रही हैं, आप क्यों खामोश हैं? मुसलमानों के ऊपर लगातार बुलडोजर चल रहा है, आप क्यों खामोश हैं? मुसलमानों के एनकाउंटर हुए, आप क्यों खामोश रहे? हमसे मत सवाल करिए, हम हर जगह बोल रहे हैं। हमारी परफॉर्मेंस पे सवाल मत खड़ा करिए। तो जाइए फिर लड़ लीजिए आप अपना आप, अगर आप हमारी परफॉर्मेंस पे सवाल खड़ा कर रहे हैं।
So Congress versus Congress, and now Congress versus the allies. And as far as the Samajwadi Party is concerned, previously how both of them have come together to fight the elections against the BJP, being famously termed as UP ke ladke. However, it seems that this divide seems to be deepening ahead of the next year's assembly elections that would be taking place in Uttar Pradesh. And here is Samajwadi Party chief himself seems to be taking on the Congress party and its role there on ground, saying that the Congress party is not visible on the ground in Uttar Pradesh. Now, as far as the Congress party is concerned, it seems to be taking on the Samajwadi Party. So let's connect with Nyamika on this. Nyamika, Congress party is not left with any allies. I mean, if they want to put up on a national front as far as the unity and strength is together, what happens when the UP elections will happen next year? Because here, Congress and the Samajwadi Party don't seem to be seeing eye to eye.
Well, already the indications have started coming in that it is not going to be an easy way for the Congress party, and specifically if we talk about the alliance in particular, the way in which already the Congress MP Imran Masood has, given a challenge to Mr. Akhilesh Yadav that if he has the courage, then he can contest alone in the upcoming assembly elections, and that is the kind of scathing attack which has been made by the Congress party's Lok Sabha MP Imran Masood when he was talking about the statement which has been given by Akhilesh Yadav that Congress party is not being able to perform well on the ground, and that is the reason why this kind of an attack is being made by Mr. Imran Masood, in which he has stated that firstly it is the responsibility of Akhilesh Yadav to give an answer that why he is absolutely silent on the injustice which is being done.
As far as the Congress party's visibility on the ground in Uttar Pradesh is concerned is almost nil. But however, if they want to patch up and have an alliance with the Samajwadi Party ahead of the UP elections, well, for now it seems to be challenging. Thank you very much for the moment, Nyamika, for joining us here on the broadcast. In the meantime, viewers, we head into a very short break. Coming up on the other side is Afternoon Dispatch with Shreya Dhonial.